What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to show you how you can trade options on Wealthsimple. So let's start. To enable options in your self-directed trading account, follow these simple instructions. First, sign in to the Wealthsimple app on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon at the top right of your screen, select Automations, then Options. Tap Get Started to complete your options application process and enable the feature in your accounts. Once enabled, you have access to two types of options trading strategies: long call options and long put options. Long call options give you the right to buy a stock at a specific price before a set date, while long put options allow you to sell a stock at a predetermined price. Understanding key components like strike price, expiry date, and premium is crucial when trading options. Options can be in the money, at the money, or out of the money based on their profitability. When buying an option, remember that Wealthsimple supports limit orders only. Follow these steps to make a purchase. First, log into your Wealthsimple app, select the stock under Options, choose between put or call option, select expiry date and desired contract, enter your information, and review before placing the order. To sell an option, here's what you can do. Log in and select the account with the option, view your contracts and choose the one to sell, enter contract details, and review before placing the order. Keep track of your option positions by following these steps. Log in and tap on Activity tab, tap on View Pending or Field Orders easily. If you need to cancel a pending order, here's what you can do. First, access Activity tab and select the pending order and cancel it with ease. When it's time to close your position, remember these three methods. First, sell to close on the marketplace. Second, exercise your option by buying or selling shares. Let the option expire if it's out of the money. With Wealthsimple, trading option is not just about buying and selling. It's about making informed decision for your financial future. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.